and welcome to this fantastic tip that I have for you today. Now what we are going to do, these are the photos and the embellishments that I want to use for our camping trip, but what we are going to do is we're going to get some black watercolour paint, quite a thin brush but not too thin. Get quite a lot of paint on your brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an enormous C for camping, and this is going to be sort of my outline for my photos, my embellishments. Now because it is watercolors rather than acrylic, I guess you could do it with an acrylic paint, but I always find watercolors are easy, particularly to write out words with, because they roll so much better. And then we're going to stick the A, M. They're so easy to write with, it really is lovely. If you do calligraphy, it'll be the same feel that you get from that. So we've got our camping in there. I hope you can see it's a C and not a G. We wait for that to dry, and then we start to put our photos on, and we start to build out our layout kind of around the lettering, really. It's such a simple idea, and it's so beautiful. So I've got my two camping photos in there. I'm gonna add some embellishments in. I did have a pretty cool vacay vibes, but I think that's going to take away from the lettering. So that's the other thing to consider when you're doing something like this. Make sure you don't add too many words, because people will automatically try and join the words up. So there's my camping one. I just wanted to quickly show you a couple of others that I'm in the process of working on. This one was a love one, and I really liked how this came out. What I've done is I've added a white pen around there, and it says L-O-V-E, and I've put all of my embellishments around there, so I really love that one. And finally, just another way, but not with the big circles, I just wanted to show you how beautiful it was just to add black. This is just plain black watercolor. Again, not too much water because we're not using watercolor paper. And then just a sprig of some of my favorite embellishments. I just wanted to show you that because I just thought, you know, it's so simple and so beautiful. Use small photographs for anything like this. I've used larger ones for the camping one, but I'm kind of happy with that. I like it like that. But yeah, I would recommend using smaller photographs on this particular tip. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.